Hello. Well, just a quick one this week, just to say there will be, oh my goodness, there will be no video this week. I just haven't had the time. I filmed some stuff, but I've just not got the time to edit it. So this one here is the one that I made the ply for a couple of weeks ago, I think it was. This is out. I'm just showing you a contrast here. This is a humongous beast of a drum shell. It is 30 ply, 100% walnut through and through, 30 ply. It's heavy. It's a beast of a drum. And this one, I have just removed this out of the mould, so it's still a bit scruffy. As you can see, we've not cut it to size. I've not sanded it. It is, yeah, literally just pulled it out of the mould. This is a thinner one. This is a 13 ply. So it's, what's that? It's like 6.5 mil, as opposed to that one, which is 15 plus mil. So yeah, this was just out of the mold. Now this one's an eBay order. I do sell shells. You can order shells on eBay. If you want that little bit of protection that eBay offers, if you're unsure about ordering something handmade online, you can go to eBay. I'd rather you didn't, because I'd rather have those fees in my pocket than theirs, but it's an option. So yeah, that's another one that'll be going out. That'll be going out on Monday or Tuesday. It's bank holiday, and it'll be going out Tuesday. This one will be off to France. I've just got the bare. No, I've just cut the edges. I've just got to do the snare bed in that. So yeah, just fit rings on that one there. That should be ready to come off and sand. So yeah, busy all week. No video this week. Hopefully next week I'll find some time to edit some bits and bobs. But for now, I have tons of snares and the drum set for sale, bargain prices. I've got some shells ready to ship. A couple of bird's eye maple snare shells that I just sat twiddling their thumbs if they had them waiting to go. And obviously, you can order online at drumshellsuk.com. You can order drum shells, pretty much anything you can think of, we can make. So yeah, it's going to be a nice sunny weekend. So I won't bother. I won't bother going on the internet and order anything over the weekend. Wait while next week, and then get something ordered for me. So I've got something to do. Thank you very much.